welcome to our channel. Today we'll learn how to send your official IELTS score from IDP Nepal to the university you are willing to go. Submitting your IELTS score from IDP Nepal to the universities around the world is a simple and easy process. Below we'll outline the steps necessary to upload your IELTS result to the university's portal in your desired university. Let's understand about the official and unofficial test score. Official test score refers to the test result submitted directly from the authorized testing organization such as IELTS, TOEFL or GRE to the university. This method guarantees the authenticity and validity of the scores which are essential for final admission decision. And another is unofficial test score. This denotes a self-reported or scanned copy of test results submitted by the applicant. While it can be utilized for the initial evaluation process, it must subsequently be corroborated with an official report to ensure the accuracy. Okay, you need to note that some institutions may consider unofficial IELTS score as official if the test was taken in a paper-based format. Under such circumstances, applicants are exempt for submitting official test score report. Let's understand sending test score. It is especially for IDP Nepal. Official document including graduation certificate, academic transcript, GRE score and other test results must be submitted through appropriate administrative office. Let's see how we can send IDP IELTS score. Official score must be sent directly from the test taking institution. In this case, you can say it's IDP. You may contact them via email with a professionally structured request. You can craft your own mail and also can refer to the suggested format which I will give you here. Please note the email of IDP IELTS Nepal. It's ielts.nepal@idp.com. So let's see the format. Subject: request to send IELTS test score to ABC University. Then, dear IELTS customer service, I hope this mail finds you well. This is normal. And also, I recently took the IELTS test and I would like to request that my score be sent to the mentioned university. You need to know that you need to attach a file, ATR form, and also a copy of your passport. Okay, these two you need to attach. So let's understand further process after that. You can mail them directly without attaching anything. Then they will send you two files. First is additional test report form. ART form is an additional test report form, a supplementary document. It serves as a extension to the primary test report. Next is STED RO list given by them. This is a list comprised of name and address of recognized university. If your selected university is in the list, your test score will be sent with no additional cost. However, if the university is not included, they may request you to pay some processing fee. That means you need to see the list and confirm if it is here or not. I will show you both of these form here. So let's see the list of universities where IDP can send the scores for free. But you need to remember that they will update it in a regular basis. So let's see the list first and then we'll go the ART form. Okay, this is the list and you can see here country ID. That means they will send to the different university across the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Sweden, Finland and all others. Let's see here. It's UK, Australia, Sweden, USA, Canada and all you can see here, right? If you are willing to go USA, you can filter and see only the list of university from US. All these three are address line like National Program, Base Hall 128 or Troy University. And also RMIT, Australia, its address is given only one. Then you can include this one and you can send them. There are about 1,700 lists where you can send your score for free. So let's see ART form and how we can fill it. Okay, let's see. This is the ART form. This is family name. So Padhyay, you can change this one here. My one is doctor. I will keep it as it is. And other name means first name. Then go to address of correspondence. My address is, this is my address according to passport. Always remember, need to give address from the passport. Let's go to mobile number 977. This is my number. Then email address. Then date of birth checks is mail. Then let's go ID type passport. Now you need to give your passport number. So all are just an example. Most recent test detail. Center number given. Candidate number is given in the test score. My candidate number is. So now date. When did you appear for your exam? You can click here. Let's see. January 10 and 25. Now please give the detail below of where you would like to send your result. Person or department name. You can write department name. Then name of college, university of organization. Melbourne University. Then address. You can see the address. Here is it's Melbourne University, and address you can copy from here. And then I certified that the information on this form is complete and accurate. You need to include signature here, include the date. Go here, then you can see today's date. You can click here and click in this. It will show the time of filling the form, and then you can save this one. Now you need to know that the document dispatch process takes 3 to 5 days to complete. In certain instances, you may receive a notification as early as next day, confirming that the document has been sent. Upon receiving the confirmation, you can contact the university via mail to verify whether they have received the document or not. Although the status may be updated on the university's portal, occasional delays or inconsistencies may occur. So this way you can send your test score detail to the desired university. Thank you everyone. See you again.